What's up, IMers? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how removing image backgrounds can earn you traffic and sales, okay? I'm also going to show you how to remove your image backgrounds without paying a dime, 100% for free. But before I do any of that, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials, reviews, and guides like these. Okay. So here I am at remove.bg, okay? Remove.bg, this is where you wanna go, okay? Before, you'd have to pay $5 on Fiverr to get your background removed, or you can do it yourself with GIMP or with Photoshop, but I don't have those tech skills, and maybe you don't either. This is a fast, free, and easy way to do it. Let me show you how, and I'm gonna give you two applications for this, okay? One way to get traffic, and one way to earn sales, okay? Creating products, really fast products. Check this out. So I'm gonna show real quick. I'm gonna select this photo. I already did it, as you can see in that little folder. I just added a photo right now, photo of me, you know, with the background, a photo without the background, and you know, it's perfect. It's beautiful, okay? Now I'm gonna do it again. You know, you just download. There's no catch, no strings attached. You just download it. I'm gonna do it again with an image, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm gonna use these two different images to do two different things, okay? Now, I'm gonna select the photo again, check this out. And I'm gonna go to this one right here. This is a public domain image. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in a second, okay? This is the original, okay? It's public domain, that means there's no copyright. I can use it any way I want to. And because this person or this illustration here is the focus point of this image, of this illustration, this little tool removed the whole background, okay? And I have this element now, okay? Now let me show you how I'm gonna use these two different things. Okay, so let's go to Canva, okay? And I'm gonna explain to you this YouTube thumbnail, okay? So if you go to my YouTube channel here, right? Check this out. See my videos now. I recently found this little tool, and you can see these images right here. These thumbnails stand out, okay? So YouTube and also Google to an extent, but Google doesn't have images popping up next to their headlines. This is only for YouTube, okay? So if I go to, for example, the last product I reviewed, Stealth Review, okay, really good product, by the way. As you can see, if I scroll down here, my image will pop up, right? And my thumbnail pops out and people click on this, okay? I used to be second, now I've dropped a little bit. I gotta fix that real quick. But as you can see here, my image pops out there, and I'm really forefront and center with this thumbnail. This leads to more clicks, okay? So if you have a background to your image and you put it against your thumbnail, you're gonna be taking up extra space. You don't want to do that, right? So you want to use the background image and have whatever message you have on your YouTube thumbnail, and you just stick your backgroundless image onto the thumbnail, right? This will lead to more clicks. YouTube will reward you with higher rankings, get you more traffic, okay? That's the first way. Really important. Besides having a good headline, you need a solid YouTube thumbnail. YouTube will reward you for this. Really important, okay? So you just go to you go to Canva. Canva is a free tool, okay? Go to Canva, go to uploads here. I already have this image uploaded. As you can see, I'm gonna blow this up a little bit, just like that. And you know, right in my remove, and right in my headline, remove. Let me shrink that. Remove backgrounds. Let's make that smaller. Let's make that much smaller. Remove background. Stick with me, because I'm going to show you a way to earn online using this little background tool. Remove backgrounds. Okay, now I'm gonna copy that again. For traffic okay, for traffic and cache. There you go. This is a nice little headline here. I'm going to use this. And now I'm going to show you the second thing I do. Now this is what is called a t-shirt template. Basically, I went to a popular t-shirt site where you can print your own designs and sell them. And they give you the dimensions, you know, Teespring, TeePublic, doesn't matter. Just say, for example, Teespring dimensions for t-shirt, and they'll give you the dimensions depending on the t-shirt company, whatever it is. It's basically the same. It's over 2,000 width by, I don't know, I think over 3,000 height wise. Anyways, I have the template here, and I'm gonna take that element that I showed you earlier, right? This little woman here, this little nun looking lady here, and I designed this t-shirt. Now, if you know, if you watch a lot of TV, or you happen to know this TV show, you might know what this TV show is from, Under His Eye. I'm not gonna say it here. If you can guess what it is, let me know down in the comments section. But yeah, always, this is an added side note. When you're creating t-shirts, you wanna speak the language of the people who understand that niche, right? So, for example, in this example, there's a specific TV show that I got there's a lot of popularity for. People, there are people tagging this specific TV show. So I'm like, hey, I know something about this TV show. I happen to watch it, so I'm gonna create a t-shirt around it, right? And instead of just putting the title of this TV show, I'm gonna put a quote from this TV show and an image that resembles something that has to do with this TV show. Okay, so if you can guess what it is, let me know in the comment section. And you know, I design it. I can shrink the design, add it into whatever I want. This eye looking thing here is also public domain. Okay, so one very important thing: if you're creating printables, t-shirts, mugs, puzzles, whatever the case is, you want to be using public domain images, or hire someone to design the art for you or the graphics for you. I like, most of the time, I'd say 90% of the t-shirts and printables I create are from public domain images that I put together, repurpose. I got information about that below if you want to check that out. And yeah, it's good stuff, very easy to do. Make sure you like and subscribe. This is like pause. I'll be out with more videos just like this, and stay tuned. Okay, be good, take care. If you have any questions, don't forget to let me know down below. Okay, take care, bye bye.